Okay, so one way to make your game more exciting is to start with either a game description with maybe instructions about how to play, or even a countdown. Now currently when I start playing my game, I either press and play or press and escape twice. That's all that happens. Not very exciting. So if I now go to change my world settings, you can see that it's starting the game with nothing. If I start with the world title, that's simply whatever I called my game. So there we are, my game is called Cyclo Adventures. It can be even more exciting with a countdown. So let's try that. So that sounds much more exciting. Or you can add a description that tells you extra information, or a description with the countdown. I tend to go for this one, but I don't tend to use it until after my game's completely built, because it takes a long time to test my game if I'm having to wait for the countdown every time and I just want to test one little line of code. But for now, we'll use this. And currently, you'll see I don't really have a description, so that's not really very helpful. When you press enter, the countdown begins. But I need a description. So to have a description, you need to go and save your game. But basically, anything that goes in here will appear on the first screen of your game. Now, I'm going to say race as a cycle to reach the castle using the arrow keys. So let's just see how that works. Save that, and save, and again. So there's that. But that's not very exciting. So if I now go back in and save my game, I can change these to pictures if they're objects from the game just by using the greater than and less than symbols. That changes it to pictures, which suddenly makes my game much more exciting. Now if I use the square brackets, anything that I put in the square brackets will look like its keyboard key. But I don't really want that, I want to be more specific. So inside my square brackets, I'm going to simply write up, down, left, and right. And this works with anything. So you can have a bit of an investigation, see which suits your game best. But as long as you remember square brackets, if you want it to look like a keyboard key, and greater than, less than, otherwise.